Here he comes to wreck the day! Guys, Dan World of Mr. Great, Dandalf the Great. Just a quick one. Who knows? But I've been checking over the last couple of months with the Paranormies. Now everyone, if you don't know who the Paranormies are, they were what we used to call Mindseed 2.0, right? They started up back in, I think, 2022, 21, something like that. I can't remember. And I'll give them their props. Their production was very good. Their storytelling was pretty good. There's a lot of bollocks in there, but they've been debunked many times by myself, by the Shape, I believe. I think Beardo did. Others, I don't know, but there's been a few videos, especially on my channel over the last couple of years, about the Paranormies. I'm not hating on them, but they have been caught out many times, right? A little recap of my little history with the Paranormies. Now, the Paranormies, like I said, I first found out about them back in late 2021. And I immediately made a debunking video because I caught some stuff. Can't remember exactly what it was, but I caught some stuff. And then a couple of months down the line, I caught another one. And then I think the Shape caught one. And so on. Even though they were very good at their production, they made really silly mistakes. Like leaving a phone on the bed in one shot, and then in the very next shot where there's supposed to be a continuous shot, they had the same phone and the phones disappeared on the bed. It's stuff like that, right? For all their high production value, they made some mistakes in editing, and this is how you get caught out, right? Now, they were adamant. We don't fake stuff, we tell the truth. But after a year of having a channel, Paranormies now, they made a video or a community post. I can't remember where it is now. It's probably on their channel somewhere, saying, we don't know how much longer we can do this. We've worked so hard to get where we are, but we're just not making enough money. I'm paraphrasing, obviously, but they were basically whinging. This is what it was. They were whinging that they weren't making enough money to continue doing what they want to do on YouTube. Now, bear in mind, they had been on YouTube, when they made this post, they'd been on YouTube for 11 months. They hadn't been even been on there for a year yet. And they were complaining that not enough people were donating to them, basically. And I said the same at the time. If you have a Patreon or a membership, there's nothing wrong with that. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. In the hopes that someone will support what you want to do. Nothing wrong with that at all. From the offset, it seemed like they were all about the money, right? To me and to other people. Forget about the debunking part. That's what they always seemed like to me and others. That they were just about the money. Because, like I said, they were on it under a year. And they're already complaining that they weren't getting enough money sent to them. Fast forward, I think, another 8 months. Once again, many debunking videos made about them because they kept on cocking up. Right? On a live stream, and they were always drunk on their live streams. There's nothing wrong with that. I suppose you can let your hair down in a live stream and just have a couple of drinks. Nothing wrong with that. It's obviously they got a bit looser with their lips in their live streams. And people noticed they were very different on their live streams compared to, the loving and caring, oh so emotional people they are in their cringe videos. They were cringe. I'm sorry. They were a bit cringe. The emotion they poured into those videos just to get them out to YouTube. It made me cringe, right? I announced in their live stream that they were going to make a subscription service. Now, there's other channels out there who have subscription service. There's others who have recently tried to do one and they're still doing it. The Watcher. I made a few videos on it. Whatever. And again, if you want a monetary comeback for something you think you put enough work into, there's nothing wrong with that at all. But there is a way of doing it. There's a way of doing it where it doesn't screw over your fans, the fans who got you there, basically, which we'll get to now. So anyway, they announced a subscription service saying, I think it was I can't remember the details, but they said for this amount per month, we're going to put an episode up every week or 2 a week. I can't remember what it was now. And they were going to just put the little snippets of it on their YouTube. And we all know how well that always goes for channels. Obviously, their fans were a bit pissed off. And, they had a lot of backlash from their fans. Some fans actually paid for the subscription service. And you can go to their videos and comments about it now on the Paranormies channel. And you'll see where they say, I paid whatever. I paid a couple of months. I had one video. I think they put one video up on that subscription service. But yet continued to take people's money per month. I don't know how many people signed up. Maybe it wasn't enough because they literally did one video and thought, it's not worth it. So... there's that. Anyway, fast forward again. I think they announced it in another live stream that they announced that we got a TV deal. Now, it's with a company called Farpoint Films. I think it's a Canadian company. I'd never heard of it. But as a Canadian, I think it's an independent company, TV company or film company. It finances like indie movies, small TV shows. You know, it's a cool looking company. I've looked into it. It's primarily in Canada, but it does look like a cool little venture, right? I'm nothing against the Farpoint Films, by the way. Anyway, they announced that they were going to make a TV show called Ghosts Off Grid. Ghosts Off Grid. This was 4 months ago. 4 months ago, I think. They didn't announce it 4 months ago. I think they announced it 5 months ago. The fans were very excited for them. I'm so happy you've got a TV deal. It's what you've always wanted in the 2 years you've been on YouTube. They said, this isn't going to affect our YouTube channel. Obviously, we're going to be filming this, on the road, filming this. But this isn't going to affect our YouTube channel, so, stay tuned. I think they put 3 videos up since the announcement of the Ghost on Grid TV show. And they put 1 trailer up. So their last video was a trailer for She's Not There, where I think his name is Jordan. Or is he the other guy? I honestly don't know. It's cringe as hell. I can't watch it. I can't watch that trailer. I saw it once a few months ago when it came out, and my spine almost snapped from the cringe. He's bawling his eyes out about something. He's doing the Estes method. And that's how that channel always went. They would absolutely drag on your emotions in the hopes that, we're so sad. Please like and subscribe. Am I being mean right now? I don't feel mean, but, it's a Thursday. Which I don't know what that's got to do with it. But anyway, so that was the last video 4 months ago. I'm going to show you some of the comments now, right? One from 21 hours ago. I didn't see this. I haven't checked in a couple of months. What I'm seeing is sad. I believe something has happened or is happening. I do believe that they could still get someone else to let us know something. But things clearly aren't right. So who knows what's going on and how they're handling it. Now I did think about this, right? I thought at first, maybe there's something wrong. Maybe there's like something in the family or one of them is ill or something. And if that is the case, I hope everything's good and I hope everything works out. But if you go to Farpoint Films, they're still stating that this Ghosts on Grid is releasing the end of this year. Filming is pretty much wrapped up from what I saw. Just down to the editing process now. And Ghosts on Grid is going to be releasing on Farpoint Films the end of this year. I think it's September or October. I can't remember. So they've clearly still been filming their TV show. And, I'm sure they're very excited. They posted stuff up on it. Like I said, they haven't posted for 4 months. And like I said, if it is like something bad for the family, I do hope they're okay. But from what I can tell, it's because they've been filming their TV show and it's the reason why they haven't been back on YouTube for 4 months. Now the thing is, right? You will go after comment after comment on their community posts, on their videos. We miss you, hope you're safe. Sucks that you guys gave up on your channel. I'm surprised they still have as many subscribers. I am as well. Where is Johnny Monoxide? These dudes block you if you ask a simple question. Watch a bunch of losers. Looks like you all have become Ghost Adventure wannabes. That's a hard sell, just a dude crying and subscribing. From what I can gather, there's a lot of annoyed fans on their channel, and like I said, if it's something bad in the family, I hope everything's okay. But at the same time, if it is, you should at least let your viewers know, because there's a lot of them who are complaining that they're still paying the Patreon. I know they can cancel it, but maybe they, in the hopes that they're supporting you. But they're saying I'm still paying for the Patreon. What's going on? Some of them are still donating to the PayPal apparently. So if it is just a simple case of they're filming their TV show and they're too busy, that's fine. That's totally fine. And like I said, from the looks of it, they're still in the process of making that show. So it's not. So if something has happened, they still have the time and energy to make the TV show, because it's still releasing on time at the end of this year, 2024. So they can at least let their fans know, let the viewers know, the viewers who got them where they are today. I say this all the bloody time when it comes to the Paranormies, because like I said, from the very beginning, it always seemed like they were all about the money. And now they have this TV deal where they could genuinely just delete their channel. It wouldn't matter. It'd matter to the people watching them, obviously. But it wouldn't matter, because the people who watch them on the TV show, yes, there will be fans watching them who know who they are, but a lot of them probably wouldn't know who they are, and they'll just think, oh look, it's another paranormal TV show. Let's watch it. It looks cool. Unless they're filming paranormal activity in Antarctica, they're doing a disservice to their fans, if you ask me. I think so, anyway. And that's all it would take would be a community post or something, a little 30-second short saying, look, everything's fine, we're okay, we're still filming, we'll see you soon. That's all it would take. That's all it would take. But nothing for 4 months. If I was a fan, I'd be fucking pissed off. But like I said, at the same time, if there's something bad that happened, I hope everything's okay. I genuinely do hope everything's okay. Even though I'm not your audience. But if it's just a case of you've been working on a TV show, bad egg for not letting your fans know. But anyway, I just wanted to give my little 2 thoughts about that. And that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you liked this video. Leave something new to my channel. I do this quite often. That's it. Thanks for watching. And bye for now.